How to make money on Wattpad. So, making money on Wattpad is possible, but it's not instant, and you need consistency, a growing audience, and smart use of platforms' monetization options. So, first of all, you can go ahead and join the Wattpad Creators Program in the right section. So, you can see programs and opportunities, writing resources, and different other things. So, this is the main way, official way to earn. You need a strong profile, and if your contents are accepted, you can get paid writing opportunities, work with brands or Wattpad studios. So, also you can earn through Wattpad paid stories, so you can find different programs and opportunities. Some writers earn by locking chapters behind a paywall. Readers use coins to unlock contents. You must be invited by Wattpad, so it works best if your story already has a large fan base or you were addictive on ongoing series. So that's the way. Also, some people earn through ad revenue. It is indirect. So Wattpad sometimes runs ad on stories, so you don't directly control this unless you're in monetization program. Also, how you can get paid is like you can get your story published. Many writers get noticed and earn enough through book deals and publishing contacts. So example, Anna Todd become famous from Wattpad and turn her story into books and movies. So you can also promote outside Wattpad, use the platforms like TikTok, Instagram to promote your story, drive traffic to Wattpad profile, and build a fan base better. So you can like on those ways. So that is the pretty way you can earn money and make money in Wattpad. Or that was your monetization tutorial. Hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.